أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم مذبذبين بين ذلك لا إله هؤلاء ولا إله هؤلاء ومن يضلل الله فلن تجد له سبيلا. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I recited Surah Nisa Ayat number 143. In this ayat, Allah tells us about the situation of the hypocrites. These are the people who oscillate between believers and non-believers just to get their personal benefits. Wherever they find the benefit, they are just to bow down, bend toward those one. So this is the situation. They are not towards the believers, not towards the non-believers. So they are just for their own benefits in order to fulfill their own desires. So they are just to bow down, bend to one side, not to other. So they are the people oscillating, like entangling between these two. So this is the situation of them. So you can say these are like wavering, like between believers and non-believers. So we read about them. Then Allah said about them that these people they will get lost the way of Sirat Mustaqim, and then there is no any way. So that will give them the success. So this is the situation which have been explained. We read this one, we will understand more better, inshallah. So Allah said, Muzabzabina bayna zalik. Muzabzabin mean wavering, oscillating, and baina mean between, zalik between them. Them mean like between believers and non-believers. So muzabzabina baina zalik. So they are the people, munafiqeen, hypocrites. They are the people wavering in between. So they are the people oscillating in between. So like this. So then Allah said, La ilaha haulai. So they are not to believers. So wala ilaha haulai, and they are not to the non-believers. So it means La ilaha haulai wala ilaha haulai. Neither they are to the believers nor they are to the disbelievers. So this is the situation of them. Then Allah said, وَمَن يُضْلِلِ اللَّهُ, and a person to whom Allah leaves him to go astray, فَلَن تَجِدَ لَهُ سَبِيلًا. So you will never find a way for him. So then you will be unable to find the way for him, because way of success will not be for them. So we understand from this ayat, Muzabzabina bayna zalik, La ilaha ulai wa la ilaha ulai. وَمَن يُضْلِلِ اللَّهُ فَلَن تَجِدَ لَهُ سَبِيلًا. So Allah said, wavering, oscillating in between, neither to the believers nor to the disbelievers. And a person to whom Allah leaves to go astray, so you will never find a way for him or for her. So Allah said in this ayat that these are the people who are munafiqeen, hypocrites. They are the people just for their personal benefits with respect to their own desires. They are to attain them in order to get their success. Like they say, this is our success to attain our own desires. They at all cost they want to get that. So in order to get that, so if those success are benefits, if they are from the believers, they are just to bow down towards the believers. So they will try to be, they try to pretend like pious Muslim, good Muslim, noble Muslim. They will have a good dress like Islamic dress. They will have a, they will go to the masjid, they will pray like nice way. They, in the eyes of Muslim, they will be like attractive. So Muslim they will like now. So they are just to get the benefit. When they will get the benefit, then they will be slowly away from them. So this way, when the benefit is benefit of these people desires is with the non-believers, then they will try to move towards them, or they bow down towards them, they bend towards them to get their benefits. So they have no care about their religion. They will try to have a non-believer dress and way, lifestyle, and they will have to show what they are liking. So they are just to show their self, like to make attractive to them. So this way they will try to get even if there is some drinking, they will try to drink alcohol with them also, and they will try to attend the other parties with them. And this way they will not feel halal haram, they will not feel they will be just main purpose is to get the benefit from them. So for that purpose they will bow down to get that, bend towards them, to not caring about their religion. So this is the situation of them. So this way, these are the people, Allah said, so they are like a wavering people. They are like oscillating between them. So this way Allah said, muzabzabina baina zalik. So they are just tangling between them. So la ilaha ulai. So they are not towards the believers, wala ilaha ulai, and they are not towards the non-believers. So they are not they are just for their benefits. So they are like people oscillating, like you can say tangling between them, like they are wavering between them. They are like they are not to one person, like not to one group. They are not to believers. They are not from the believers. They are not from the disbelievers. So then Allah said, so they are the people like this. So you can see the actually hypocrite. That person is in between Islam and Kufr, because apparently that person is Muslim, but in heart that person is non-Muslim. Iqrarum bil lisani wa tasdeequm bil qalb. Iqrarum bil lisan is the like confirmation with the tongue, and tasdeequm bil qalb and certification with the heart. So their iqrarum bil lisan is there, they can confirm with their tongue that they are Muslim, but tasdeequm bil qalb from their heart, so they are not Muslim. So this way, this is the situation. They are hidden in kufr, like the kufr is hidden in them. Apparently they are like Muslim. Abdullah bin Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he revealed that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the example of these hypocrites is like a goat. So that is from two herd. So it goes to one herd, then goes to other herd. So it is not satisfying like to go in one herd. It go to one, then go to other. So this way it is tangling in between. So this is the situation of the munafiqeen. So like a rolling stone gathers no mass. They are people like that. So they are just to bow down in order to get their personal benefits. They are not to look after their iman. So this is the situation of these people. So Shaitan help them to in order to get their personal benefits, personal desires to be fulfilled. So this way they are the people. So like in order to get their benefits, not to believers, not to non-believers, but they are tangling in between. So this is the situation of these people. So actually these people, they are free from the iman, because iman is not in them. So this way these people, they in their heart they understand that these both parties, they are with us. They understand that we have no problem. Both parties are with us. If we want to join believers, possibly we can join them. If we want to join the non-believers, we can join them also. So they are feeling like that. So one hadith, that is Abu Dawood and Nisai. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was leading Fajr prayer, Fajr Salah, and Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, after finishing Salah, he said, "That person is present." The people said, "No, he is not here." Then Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by name, he said the other name, and these people said that person is also absent. Then Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Yes, in fact, the Salatul Fajr and Salatul Isha these are the big burden for the munafiqeen, for the hypocrites. And if they are just to know the reward of these salah, they will have to come into masjid, even they have to come on their head like this way. They are walked by head, so this is too much rewardable. But those people, they are not to know that also. And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in one other hadith, that is in Muslim and Bukhari, that at the day of judgment you will see these hypocrites. They will be the people with two faces. So they will be like this there. So these are the people, you understand about munafiqeen. Allah gave the chances for the munafiqeen with the passage of time in order to do tawbah astaghfar and to be a good Muslim. But the chances when coming to them, they are just to not to avail the chances. They are trying to go on the line of action where they are. So this way, their nifaq, it becomes more and more, and their trend towards cheating and deceiving in order to get their personal benefits, that becomes more and more, with telling lies, with with nullifying their promises, and also being dishonest, and so many tactics, whatever they can do, they try to do that in order to attain their desires, just for personal benefits. So this way, so they are going away from, with the passage of time, they are not coming back. Even Allah is giving them chances to come back by after doing tawbah astaghfar. So they are not to come that way. So they are going away, so much away from Sirat Mustaqim. As Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, that when a person is doing like sinful act, then black dot comes on the heart. So like this. So when these people, they are doing so many sinful acts, then so many black dots on the heart becomes black. And then when this situation is there, and then Allah makes their way to go away from Islam. This way Allah said, وَمَن يُضْلِلِ اللَّهُ, and then Allah gave them the way to go to astray. So this is the way. So to go, they are just to lose their way. Then Allah said, فَلَن تَجِدَ لَهُ سَبِيلًا, then there is no one able to get to their way, because so you will never find a way for him or for her. So then these people, these munafiqeen, will not be able to get to the way of Sirat Mustaqim, because they already lost it. So this is the situation, and at the day of judgment, they will have the biggest punishment than the kuffar. So where the kuffar will go into the hellfire, they will go into the bottom of that, where the punishment will be more than that. Allah save us from hypocrisy. Allah make our love with him, with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, with Islam, and make our heart to attain the piety, to attain the love, and also to follow the Sharia of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in order to get success in this world and the world hereafter. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.